Hi guys and welcome back. If I enable the Samsung keyboard and then press and tap for long on the spacebar, it will enable the voice input. And now whatever I speak, it will convert it into a text and then I can send it to someone. So guys, how you can enable this one? It's pretty easy and simple. Watch the video till the end. So guys, first of all, what you need to do is to tap on this setting gear icon in your Samsung keyboard. This will open Samsung keyboard settings. From here you need to scroll where you will find swipe, touch and feedback. You need to tap on it and here you will find the option touch and hold spacebar. So once you tap on this one, these options will open here. So you can either select no action, that the spacebar will do nothing, or you can change it into cursor control, or you can change it into voice input. So it depends on you. If you select voice input, from now on when you press and tap long the spacebar, it will change into a voice input option, and then whatever you say, it will change it into a text. So guys, if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.